In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to WooCommerce and WordPress and set up customer syncing and automations. We'll go through the full process from signing into Mailchimp, all the way to checking your sync status and preparing your first automated emails. This setup is useful if you want to grow your email list, keep customer data organized, and send more targeted marketing based on what people do in your store. To begin, create a Mailchimp account if you don't already have one, or simply sign in to your existing account. Make sure you can access the account properly before moving on, because you'll need to authorize the connection from inside WordPress. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the admin area of your website, go to Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, look for the official Mailchimp for WooCommerce plugin. It's important to choose the official plugin so you get the correct integration and reliable syncing between both platforms. When you find it, install the plugin and activate it. After activation, open the Mailchimp section inside WordPress. This is where the setup wizard usually begins and where you'll connect your store to your Mailchimp account. Now connect and authorize your Mailchimp account. During this part, WordPress may redirect you to Mailchimp so you can approve the connection. Just follow the prompts carefully and return to your site once authorization is complete. After that, choose the audience in Mailchimp that should receive your WooCommerce customers. This matters because all synced contacts will be sent into that selected audience, so pick the one you want to use for your store marketing. You'll then be asked to configure a few store settings, including the store currency, customer permissions, and the checkout opt-in message. Review these carefully. The currency should match your store, permissions should reflect how you collect consent, and the opt-in message should be clear so customers understand what they're signing up for. Once those settings are in place, start the initial synchronization of your products, customers, and orders. Depending on the size of your store, this can take some time, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. After the sync begins, check the synchronization status for any errors. If something looks incomplete, this is the best place to confirm whether your products, order history, and customer data are importing correctly. Finally, go into Mailchimp and create the automations you want to use, such as abandoned cart emails, welcome emails, or post-purchase follow-ups. These automations help you stay connected with customers automatically and turn your store data into meaningful email marketing.